Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I am reviewing nothing. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. Oh yeah, I forgot. This is the part 3 of my shelf. But yeah, I know it's been a while. I haven't made a video of my shelf. But yeah, here, part 3. Or yay, it's part 3. Yay. But yeah, guys. Okay, I made a video of that shelf where I put all my Godzillas now. Here are the cars. Got the big fat Bugatti Devo. But yeah, the part 2, the link will be in the description. Up like down there or up there now. But yeah, who cares? But yeah, now we're gonna talk about this shelf. But yeah, let's get started. So first, I'm gonna pick something random. Okay, first item, we got this poop. It's like a Christmas poop where you wind it up. You put remember? I made a video of it. You open the hat, you put some chocolate, close it up, and then poop's candy. But yeah, I just ate all the candies. They're all gone. But yeah, it's a pretty funny poop. Gonna put you right here. Next thing, I'm gonna pick random. Oh yeah, here. These are like the Hot Wheels mystery thing papers. It's not really that much. Oh, I got an idea. Okay, next thing. But yeah, next thing is this little Godzilla I made. This is I made out of little tiny beads on my after school program. It's pretty cool. It's shooting a purple atomic breath. Yeah. Next thing I'm gonna choose randomly. Next we got this Bugatti. I forgot what kind of Bugatti this is, but yeah, I got this Bugatti here. It's red and it's also black. It's pretty nice too. Open the doors. Broom. But yeah, I like this Bugatti. It's not too bad. And also it's kind of like a pattern. It's kind of it's also got this nice pattern too. But yeah. Next thing I'm gonna choose. Next, I got this little tiny dinosaur. And here it's kind of like some metal thing. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Oh no! Oh my God! He's gonna drive the Bugatti. Yeah, I'm in it. Okay. Next thing I'm gonna choose is this. It got this bus. So yeah, basically I got this bus here. Basically where I got this bus is I got this with my mom at some carnival. I was 5 years old probably, and they had this stand and it had a bunch of these cars, and it was kind of nighttime, so I picked this one. But yeah, this is kind of a childhood memory I have. It's pretty nice. But yeah, and also I think this broke too. Yeah, there used to be something. But yeah, one more thing. Door opens too. That's the only door that opens. Next car. Okay. Is this Mercedes I have right here. We got a Mercedes in the house. Yeah, it's pretty nice. But yeah, I like this Mercedes. It's not too bad. Let's put it right here. Next thing. I'm not choosing randomly. What was this? Oh, okay. Next car I got is this Volkswagen Beetle. That's I got this spoiler here. It's pretty nice. Not too bad. It's also pretty big, and you can open the doors. Wait, can I put the little... wait, let's see if I can put the little Lego me in here. No, it's... Let me take off the hair. Oh. No, I can't. Little Lego me can't... Just gonna sit. But yeah, can't really do anything, but yeah. Next thing here... Oh, remember this? It's a Ferrari. What? And on this end. Okay, there we go. You got the Ferrari, obviously. Yeah, I like this Ferrari. But you just put it right here. Next thing, here I got another one of these. It's a little Triceratops. It's pretty nice, pretty big. 1993, I think. But yeah. Hey, look at the dinosaur. Rawr. Okay, let's pick one. Okay. Ooh. Next thing we got is this Lamborghini verse. I made this when I was little. Like, I made a video of this when I was little, but yeah, it's still here. Here it is. It's pretty nice. But yeah. Next thing we got this old Ford GT right here. I think you can open the back of it. Nah, I don't, wait. No, you can't really open anything. But you could open the doors. That's pretty neat. But yeah. Next car I got is this other Ford GT, the newer version. You got some blue stripes going through it. But yeah, let's close the door. Okay, the next thing I got is this Fast and Furious muscle car right here. But yeah, the Dodge Ice Charger. Next one we got is this, the BMW i8. It makes noise, but I guess the battery's dead. Wait, let me just put back the doors. And also something. Yeah. So let me just put back the doors. Boom. Okay, next thing I got this another one. It's a Brachiosaurus. I used to like dinosaurs a lot, and now I don't. But yeah, let's put them all up here. But yeah, that's all the little dinosaur things. Next, I got this Lamborghini Hurricane. Let's open the doors up. Get the doors out. Oh, this one doesn't open. It's kind of a little wobbly and a little broken. I don't know, but still, it's pretty nice. Yeah. But yeah. My God. Okay, you're wondering what these Pokemon cards are. These Pokemon cards right here are all my favorite ones. Like, none of them are like GX cards, but here, these are my favorite ones. Here, I'll show you. Obviously, I got Oddish. I like Oddish because look, see, he's so cute. I love Oddish. And then we got this Birdie Boy. I like him. Obviously, we got Garchomp. I like Garchomp. Obviously, we got Eevee. I like Eevee. Pretty cute. And also, I love Dratini. Oh, I love this Pokemon. It's so cute. It's like a little snake. But yeah. Next thing, I got this little pigeon. He's so cute though. Oh, look at that face. Look at that face. Next, I got this Cutie Fly because I like Cutie Fly. Cutie Fly, Cutie Fly. Got an Oddish. No, I don't know. I like Oddish. Got another Cutie Fly. And we actually got the blue masala. Actually, I want to eat this in real life. See what it tastes like. Oh, this boy. Just look at this boy. He's so cute. Okay, next I got this little boy. Got a Dratini. But yeah. Wait, guys. I have another favorite. It's here. Wait, guys. Where is it? Oh, here. This boy right here. And also Wicklet. Okay, let me just. Okay, we got three more things. Next, we got this Toyota Supra. Got a Toyota Supra. It's pretty cool, but it doesn't have a spoiler, obviously. Yeah, so yeah, it's pretty cool. No, it's last one. We got this Nissan Skyland. A little missing the tire, but who cares? But yeah, you got this Nissan Skyland. But you know, like the logo for the Nissan Skyland? I always thought the logo for the Nissan Skyline was like the Bugatti logo. But yeah, here it is. Pretty nice. Let's put it right here. Last car is this old Corvette. Yeah, here it is. It's pretty nice, you know? Not too bad. You can obviously open the doors. And also you can open the front where you gotta push your finger and kind of open it. Yeah, so yeah, it opens here. Look at the engine in there. Pretty small in there. Nice. But yeah, that's all. The only thing we got left is dust. But yeah, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. There is a lot of stuff here. But yeah, I hope you liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And also I have a gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. Like, subscribe on my gaming channel. And also comment on my gaming channel too. But yeah, guys. Bye. Have a good day. shelf's gonna be empty soon. Yay!